Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1, 2, 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. Kids now do J. J for joker, and use blue color. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids again use blue color and draw O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, and use black color. Black color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids again use black color and draw W. W for wallet. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use green color. 2. 3. 4. 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. 7. 8. 9. Kids again use green color, and last we draw 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.